Hi, a very big welcome to step one of the course, and I want to congratulate you on the investment that you've made in your future of endurance racing. My name's Dawn Revens and my business is called The Competer. I work with endurance athletes to put together personalised nutrition plans so they know what to eat before, during and after races to maximise their performance, optimise their body composition and decrease their risk of injury. I'm really passionate about helping endurance athletes understand nutrition in more detail and use it to improve their results. When I first started doing endurance events, I didn't have a clue. At my first event, I drank water throughout it, ended up queuing for the loo and ran out of energy at about mile 19. The next day, I felt really dreadful, as if I'd been run over by a steamroller. I just didn't have any energy. Considering I've got a degree in food science, this was a little bit embarrassing and very frustrating. Over the last 10 years, I've made it my mission to learn as much as possible about different diets and the needs of endurance athletes and bring the two together. There are so many fad diets out there. Each one of these fad diets is really helpful in getting us to understand more about how the human body works and how it deals with different food types. And all of that can be transferred for use by the endurance athlete to maximise their performance. I've now left the corporate world and I work full-time with endurance athletes to put together personalised nutrition plans for them so that they can optimise their body weight and maximise their performance through eating real food. What you eat before, during and after training and events is really important. And I want to help you understand the during bit in more detail, and that's the focus of this course. I want to build your confidence so you can put together your own personalised nutrition plans, both for your training and for your next event. And by the end of this course, you will be able to do that, I promise. You probably bought this course for a number of reasons. You could be a complete beginner and you want to get your nutrition and your training sorted right from the start. You may be a more experienced endurance athlete and you don't feel you're making the progress that you should be making despite all the hours of training that you're putting in, and maybe nutrition can make a difference. Well, all these little changes make a difference. Look at the British cycling team. Dave Brailsford headed up an initiative where he changed lots of things just by a tiny 1%. Look at the results they got at London 2012, lots of golds, more medals in Rio 2016, and then finally the Tour de France. The results speak for themselves. By making a tiny change to your nutrition, you could really improve your results, and that's what this course is all about.